Hey, so I'm at Harborview for my birthday. Today is my birthday. I'm a Scorpio, a water sign. So I come where the water is at, okay? Yeah, the water is that way though, back that way. I'm gonna take a dip soon. Sunset is looking good. Sunset is that way. Yeah, but looking at the city right now from here. No plans, no phone. Just me and you alone. Can I cross? Hey, the water is so calm and so nice, dog. I think I take a dip this side. Today's my birthday, dog. 27. I'm an old man. You know, if I come out here some more often, bro, you said it's calm. Water is so big, you know. No plan, no phones. Just me and you alone. On the life of the road, we gonna see all of the states. Come on, nice. I should be getting some top on the rocks, dog. But today I come by myself. Do I have my girl there? You said it's calm, brother. Getting some top on the rocks in the night. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna chill a bit. Oh, it's here, Brody. Do some push-ups. Strength, bro. No weakness. I'm out here, dog. I want somebody to take a picture, but not even look that clean right now or anything. Yeah, let's look at the water real quick and go back home. I was just gonna get a ticket, but I give the police $1,500. They're gonna give me a $7,000 ticket. I'm gonna just give him a 15 bills. Let me go. Today my birthday, officer. It is what it is. Like me, like Jamaican police now. A lot of people don't like them, but me like them because they can get away with things when if you have your money you're good, you get me? Yeah. Bro, he's on a date. I wonder if he's nervous. I think he's nervous or what? Yo, I'm about to take a dip in the water, dog. On a Tuesday. I was born on November 8th, 1995 on a Wednesday. Bro's on a date. Is he nervous or what? What do you think? Kind of dark right now. It's up this black sun. The sun is black right here. Let's take a dip here. Why made them have so much gas? They can't clean up the beach. The beach is fucking weird, dog. I don't like that. You just cheap thump right here. It's a calm and nice in the dog. This feels calm and nice. I'm gonna come right here so last time. Treat them. I'm gonna go down there. Close up to the water. Yeah. Alright, so I probably should finish up answering the questions. Like, what's my favorite color? My favorite color is still black. I still like the color black. Still my favorite color. I'm 28 next year. So that means I'm 20. Yeah, the waves. The waves so nice. That means I'm 27 today. It's crazy, I'm an old man. It's crazy, ain't it? What it is. You know, I'm out here. Just chilling. Maybe I'll take my wife here on a date next year, I don't know. Yo, you see when I was younger, I could swim. I could swim really well. But then I got fat. I got older and I got fat. And I think I lost the ability to swim. I think I can't swim again. So I don't know how to swim, but I'm gonna take a dip real fast. Yeah, wish me luck, okay? When I was younger, 12-year-old, 13, 14, 15, I could swim, but I can't swim no more, apparently. But it is what it is. I'm out here. Meditation to heal the nation. Ready? Thanks to life, Jaja. Yeah, man, I don't know how to give thanks to life, Brody. This is my view right now. I'm just giving thanks for life. You hear me? Maybe later on I'll go have a house party with the bros. I can't put that on camera. I know when those girls they pop their molly, they get wild, you know. So that can't be on camera. Okay, that's top secret. You heard me? Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Maybe I'm just gonna put this video with the other one. Just mix it like this is what happened after I do the Q&A. Nice little view, right? Today's my birthday, dog. Listen to the ocean. The wave kind of slow down. That's crazy. Serenity. I'm at peace right now, dog. I'm by myself. Nobody's on the beach. Jaja! Wash off some crosses off for me, alright? God, I'm just like jobless and I birthday, alright? I can't swim, bro. I can't swim. Can I flip? I used to can flip it when I was young. Vibing, brody. Here's my abs, dog. You gotta have my abs here. I've been skipping the gym. I've been skipping the gym, dog. I got a big belly, so well, my abs are there, but you know. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know. Beach is nice, nice little water. I'm gonna do this more often. Just come and take a look at wash off. I'm kind of cool now. Just gonna chill in the water a little bit longer and then go back home. People drive so far for that. Just a dip in the black sand water, Brody. Yeah, right. Just to be as a black man on the black sand in the water. So as me say just now, just a while ago, I give the police 1,500. Yeah. 15 bills. I was speeding, dog. I was going at 120 on the road to come out here in the Benz, and the police stopped me. I look for the money right away, cause like I'm not trying to pay $7,000 ticket. It is what it is, though. Look on the water. Beautiful, dog. Today's my birthday. I'm enjoying nature. I'm surrounded by the water, dog. Today is my strong, bro. Come on. Tell me happy birthday in the comments. This year, oh fuck, the sun is so deep. I'm in the water, dog. I'm in the water. I'm gonna come out here more often. You heard me? It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. I was born 1995. November 8th on a Wednesday. Alright, what's a deep? Alright, then dig it out. So that's up here so shallow. And they have a little peaceful and serenity. Appreciating nature, dog, as a Rasta man. away, dog. Yeah, that's it. Gonna go home now. Yo, bro, you see this year? This year, I enjoyed this year birthday more than last year. Even though last year I was at the hotel, brafing, sipping on that, what you call it, margarita? Yeah, I had like 3 margaritas, 4, how many margaritas? I had like 5 margaritas last year on my birthday in the hotel, you know. Today I'm just surrounded by water. Yeah, you appreciate life more like this. Yeah, so we can safely say, oh, I'm looking good on that camera, dog. Come on. Got my guns, baby. Give me a like in the comments if I'm looking good on the camera. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home now. Take a shower and then touch the road, you get me? Yeah, probably drink some juice. I'm probably not gonna take the camera for that, so make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Appreciate the support. I'm gonna start being more consistent. Focus on what really matters, you know what I mean? Nature. Wave kind of push me. Thumbs up. I should have somebody here to take a picture for me, because it's looking nice out here in this view, you know? Maybe I'd have to come here, or this angle. This is the better lighting. Or is this the better lighting? This has a nice background right here. Just give $1,500 to the police, bro. That could have bought me a Long Island iced tea. That could buy me a Long Island iced tea tonight, dog. Ah, fuck, I like the camera in the door. Okay. Let's go home now. For the night view. Nice. So tonight I wanted to cook, but maybe I'm gonna just go buy some dinner. Buy some dinner at Crew Bar tonight, you know? I'm too hard to focus. Right there now, I don't know what I'm going. I'm gonna buy some dinner tonight, huh? Take it easy, buy a juice and just go and sip and just give thanks to some life! What we got, you get me? We give thanks. I was speeding on my way here. I'm gonna take my time, go back in. I'm not trying to get stopped by the police again. You heard me? I wanted to make it before the sun goes down. That's the reason why I was speeding. But it is what it is. I made it. You know, tonight I'm sure I go play some ball. I know what time dog them play tonight. It's 7:30. 7:30, you know, I think the time is still early to go play some ball tonight. I don't know. I'm just gonna drink some liquor. Chill. No ball tonight. Is it me, so dog? Give thanks for life, cause we can, you get me?